పార్లమెంటు సమావేశాలు మొదలైనప్పటి నుంచి సభలో వినిపిస్తున్న అంశం సంచార్ సాథీ యాప్. ఈ యాప్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ను వ్యతిరేకిస్తూ విపక్షాలు ఉభయ సభల్లోనూ నిరసనలు చేశాయి. యాప్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ వల్ల ఫోన్లో ఉండే సమాచార గోప్యత దెబ్బతింటుందని పేర్కొన్నాయి. దీంతో దిగొచ్చిన కేంద్రం యాప్ ఫ్రీ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ కంపల్సరీ కాదని చెప్పింది.
Cell phone manufacturers and importers of cell phones are compulsorily obliged to upload Sanchar Sathi app. It is also directed that this app has to be pushed into every cell phone and smartphone. And thirdly, it cannot ever be deleted or altered in any manner by the user. Sir, this is a clear breach of privacy of every smartphone and cell phone users of India. A clear apprehension is that the features of the app would point out real-time geolocation of every user, monitoring of the search history, every transaction including a credit card financial transaction by every cell phone user, and a possible monitoring of conversations, SMSs, WhatsApps. Would this not completely negate the right of privacy of every individual? Kill switch, sir, will turn every cell phone into a brick. If then every cell phone of every journalist, every opposition leader, every dissident, it will become a pure simple brick by use of a kill switch. Sir, the grave and serious apprehension is also every app can have a backdoor, or every app is possibly hacked. I will like to bring it to the notice of Leader of the House. If that happens, then all passwords, all information, all bank account numbers, all personal information of every user stored on the cell phone becomes suspectable, either with a government agency or a hacker, both in this case.
पर हम लोग ने ये कोशिश की कि हम लोग हर एक नागरिक को वो चॉइस दें, क्योंकि ऐप फोन पे है इसका मतलब नहीं है कि वो ऑटोमेटिकली ऑपरेट हो जाएगा। जब तक मैं उपभोक्ता के रूप में उसमें रजिस्टर ना करूं तब तक वो ऑपरेट नहीं होगा। और मैं उपभोक्ता के आधार पर, जैसे मेरे फोन पर सर ढेर सारे ऐप्स होते हैं, मैं उस ऐप को भी दबा के मैं डिलीट कर सकता हूं। तो ये लोकतंत्र में पूर्ण हक और अधिकार नागरिक का है सर। हम लोग ने केवल ये ऐप सभी को उपलब्ध कराने के लिए कदम लिया है, लेकिन फिर भी मैं सदन के पटल पे भी कहना चाहता हूं, हमारा कोई हट नहीं। इसकी सफलता का प्रयोग जनता के आधार पर हुआ है। फीडबैक हमें मिलेगा, उस फीडबैक के आधार पर अगर उस ऑर्डर में भी हम लोगों को कोई चेंज लाना है, उसके लिए भी हम लोग तैयार हैं।